Okay, today we are going to do coordinate geometry. It's a very interesting chapter. It's a very easy chapter also. Try to understand the concept. Okay, coordinate geometry. Coordinates. Suppose this is x-axis. What do we say? This one is x-axis. This is x-dash axis. This one is y-axis. This is y-dash axis. This one is origin. O is basically called origin. Is that clear? This one is x-axis, x dash, y dash. Intersecting point, this one is called origin. So what basically coordinates means? Suppose this is a point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We take this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. We see this -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is positive, this is positive, this is negative, this one is negative. This part is called first quadrant. What do we say? First quadrant. What is first quadrant? In this first, there are four quadrants: first, second, third, and fourth quadrant. Is that clear? First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Now, in first quadrant, both x and y are positive. X positive, y positive. Why? This one is positive, this is positive. So this first quadrant lies between these two parts. So it is x positive, y positive. What do we see in second quadrant? X negative, y positive. So in second quadrant, minus x, y. Again in third quadrant, what do we see? Minus, minus. So x is also minus, y is also minus. Now, in fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. X positive, y negative is the case of fourth quadrant. Is that clear? Now, suppose this is a point, there is a point like this one. This is a point P. So, what will be the coordinate? Coordinates means what? The distance from x-axis and y-axis. So, from x-axis, it is at 2, and from y-axis, it is, so the coordinate becomes what? 1 minus 2. First one is always x coordinate, second is y coordinate. So this is 1, in x we see 1, and in y axis we see -2. So the coordinate of P is 1 minus 2. Now in this one is called abscissa. X coordinate is, and this is called ordinate. We can see like this. This is abscissa. This is also abscissa. This is ordinate. You can write like, again this is ordinate. This one is x. This is x dash, this is y, this one is y dash. So this is abscissa, x coordinate is abscissa and y coordinate is ordinate. Is that clear? Now, if you want to locate, like P is a point, coordinate is 2 minus 3, Q coordinate is minus 3 minus 3, R 1 0, S 0 minus 5. These are few points. You need to mention in which quadrant it lies. In which quadrant it lies. Like P 2 minus 3. What do we see here? 2 is x-axis, x coordinate, and minus 3 is y coordinate. So x positive, y negative. X positive, y negative, it means it lies in fourth quadrant. It lies in fourth quadrant. So you can write simply fourth quadrant. Similarly, minus 3, minus 3, x minus, y minus, x minus, y minus. So it lies in third quadrant. So you can simply write third quadrant. In this case, R 1 0. So y coordinate is 0. If y coordinate is 0, if y coordinate is 0, it means lies on x axis. And vice versa. If x coordinate is 0, it lies in y axis. How? Suppose 1 0. 1 is over here. 1 is at x axis. And 0. 0 y axis lies over here only. So what happens? If y coordinate is 0, it lies on x axis. If x coordinate is 0, it is 0, 0 minus 5. 0 is this one. Minus 5 is over here. So it lies over y axis. It must be kept in mind. The thing, this is a very important thing. Y coordinate 0 x, lies on x axis. X coordinate 0 lies on y axis. Now next. Suppose x plus y equal to 5. You need to represent this line on graph paper through coordinate geometry. You need to make a table. Suppose x equal to what? 5 minus y. If you take y as 0, what's the value of x? 5. If you take y 1, the value of x becomes 4. If you take y minus 1, the value of x becomes 6. Now the coordinates are, what are the coordinates? Coordinates are 5 0, 4 minus 4 1, 6 minus 1, and so on. Minimum 3 coordinates you must take. Okay, and now these points should be located on graph. This is what the basic part of the coordinate geometry. We will see that detail in the next class. Okay, if you like this, please share it.